Now we are going to discuss about the list. As the list which we use in the normal day-to-day life, that list is also available on the HTML. Well, the list in the HTML are of two types. One is ordered list and another one is unordered list. Ordered list is with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, whereas unordered list is with the dots and many of them. Well, when we are using the ordered list and unordered list, this acts as the parent node, whereas the list which we are using acts as the child node. Well, we see, let's look at it. I have created an order list with OL tag and I am using the list here and here list, and I am using the hello world separately as a to list, and I just open in the browser and load it. As you can watch, because these are ordered list, it is showing the number, and this is the first list which we are using in the order list, and this is the second one. This is how it looks like. When I am using the unordered list, with it has a tag UL, and here also I use the UL and Control S, and I just open in the browser and I just reload it as you can look. When I am using the unordered list, it is showing these dots because the unordered lists are not well mannered, therefore it is showing like this. This is all about ordered and unordered list. Now we are going to discuss about the tables. Well, the tables are used in this HTML to make the things look differently. For using the table, we have to use the tag table, and next you have to use tr, and next you have to use td, and td. I'm creating, I just copy it, Control C, and I just paste this, Control V, and here I am writing the hello, here I am writing the world, here I am writing the hello, and next here I am writing the world. Well, I just reload it in the website. As you can see, it is showing the hello world. Actually, it is in the format of table because we can't see the borders, we haven't styled it. It's showing without the borders. This is in the format of a table. If I use the first td as the heading, I have to use th. For that I have to use th and th, and next here also I have to use th and the th, and I just save it and just open it in the browser. Here you can watch, when I use a th, it started showing in the bold format, which represents the heading of that column. This is how we can use the tables in the HTML. We are going to discuss about the forms in the HTML. Well, forms were the medium through which we can get the information from the user. For the same sake of information, these forms are created on the HTML. Well, these forms syntax look like this. It has a tag of a form, and then we have an action in which we add the URL, and next we have the methods which are used in the form. That method include either post, or it include either get. Next we have the stuff which are present in the form. There is a lot of stuff which is present in the form. Whenever I just create the input, and I just type equal to text. Here I created an input with a type text. Whenever user, I just mentioned the action, means we have to add some URL into it so that it must reload. Control V, and I just add the Pixabay and Control S, and open it in a default browser. First of all, we have to fill something here and fill. When I enter, it will bring me to that website which the developer user in the method of action. I have added the Pixabay. If I enter after filling that form, it will just bring me to that website. Here we have the Pixabay website because we have added get. We have added the post. I can't post anything which is irrelevant in the Pixabay which is related to text. Therefore, it is saying we are using the cookies. We can't allow you. If I in that method, if I use the get, let's check what happens. I'm going. I just enter it. I just reload the site and yes, it's showing. Because we can get the images from there, it is allowing us to do so. This is how the form methods work and action work. Now we discuss about the inputs which are used in the form. There are a lot of inputs, not only the text. We have the text, we have the date, we have the email, we have the password, we have the color, we have a lot. Let's discuss here. First of all, I am using the input with the type text. Input is the format through which we can get the information from the user. First we have the text. Next I have the input with the type equal to email, and next I just copy it, Control C, and here I paste it, here I paste it, here I paste it, here I paste it. First we have the email, first we have the text, second we have the email, third I include the password, fourth I include the date, fifth I include the time also, and sixth I will add the color. I remove the date because everything is available in the time. Here I use the radio, and there are a lot of inputs are available, but I am showing some of them because it become too heavy. You can visit the W3 schools for many of the input types which are available. When I am writing the text, it just show the text to me. When I am writing the email, yes, it is email, it will not show anything related to it. But when you are using it in a mobile version, the keyboard which you are using, which is a Google keyboard, has an @ mark at bottom of the that keyboard, as well as when we are writing the email here, yes, it's showing that please include an @ in the email address. S is missing an @ because we have added it in the format of email. When we are writing a password, it just show us the dot. It will not show any of the text here because we have added the type is equal to the password. When we are using, now we have using the radio. Radio means the type of the input in which we have to just tick it here. See, it just taken down that tick. Next we have the date and timing also, which is present in it. When I click it, just it is showing the timing. It's already 3:39, therefore it is showing the 15:39, and it has a lot of things here and here, and we have also date instead. I just type instead time, I use here date, and Control S, save it, and just reload the site. When you click it, it just show the calendar where you can click it and have the date there. It also with inbuilt color modules. When you click it, it's showing color. You can choose the required color, you can change the color intensity and different colors with the RGB value. It's showing everything. showing a hexadecimal, RGB value, HSL value, and everything. This is how the inputs work. This is all about the forms and input. Well, do subscribe our channel for regular updates. Thank you.